Hey, what's up everybody? Today's video is gonna be on changing the blower motor on a 14 Veloster, and it's actually a pretty easy job, but I didn't find a whole bunch of videos on YouTube, so when that happens is when I normally make a video. So stand by. There's a new blower motor. I've already tested to see if it was the I think they call it the resistor, or I forget what they call it, the little box that changes voltage, so when you turn the fan up and down, so that it sends different voltage to the actual blower motor. My problem is not that. I've already confirmed that it is the blower motor, and to do so you just need to check, you just need a multimeter, and you just need to go in and check your voltage with the fan in different positions. So all right, so I guess GoPro gimbal died, which is not fun because I'm doing this all backwards now. All right, so main clip, squeeze and pull. Right, that's your clip, and I'm probably not going to be able to get this on camera, but one, two, and then there's one more in the back. I don't know if we can get there to see it. Yeah, and then that's it. Those are your 3 screws. I will come back when I have them out, because I have no way to stabilize the camera and do the work, so I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the replacement. This is a new one, and the bolt holes appear to be in the same spot. However, that guy is in a different spot. I don't know if you can see it. So there's your power in, and power in on the replacement is in a different spot. It is the same plug, already verified that, so it's a matter of whether or not it will fit. I'm pretty sure that this is gonna fit. We're just gonna have our electrical in slightly different spot. So as soon as I've got this back in, I will take the camera and show you the view from the top, or from the bottom. Camera's doing loopy-loops on me. All right, so we got one there, one here, which is hard to see, and then you got the one back here. So it is a 3. The plug did fit, and I will, as soon as I'm done with the oil change, I will fire it up and we will see. Neutral. I'm gonna make sure that's off for right this second. Got one of those. I know everybody's got one of those. Hey, also, stupid happy about this. I bought this car when it was 3 years old, and it had 30,000 miles on it, and in just 4 more years I put the rest of that on there. All I've been doing is changing the oils. I did have a fuel injector problem at one point, but anyways, let's see if we've got vents, and it would appear that we do have air. Gotta have air in Florida, gotta have air. Check all the speeds. We have a working fan. Awesome. That's it for this one. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks.